Hello students, now let us discuss once again the factors of the form x plus a into x plus b, which means x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Already we discussed some type of expressions which cannot be factorized by using the identities like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square. So now let us see some more sums in this method. Okay, let us take a sum here, x square plus 9x plus 18. Okay, how can we identify to factorize this expression in this method? Simply observe the last term of this expression, which is 18. Is it perfect square? No, it is not a perfect square. So then we must use this type of method. Okay, now let us see here. X square plus 9x plus 18 can be compared with x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Just simply compare these two expressions, then we get simply here ab is equal to 18 and then a plus b is equal to 9. ab means the product of a and b, that is equal to 18, which means the factors of 18 we have to take. So what are the factors of 18? We may get 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, and again reverse it, 6 into 3, 9 into 2, 18 into 1. So by selecting a pair of factors whose sum is equal to the 9. Why? Because we have here ab is equal to 18, a plus b is equal to 9. Now we have to select a pair of factors which satisfies a plus b is equal to 9. Now let us try. Here let us take a as 1, b as 18, then add them. 1 plus 18, 19, which is not equal to 9, and then 2 plus 9, 11, again which is not equal to 9. Here we get 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Yes, here we can write it as what? 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So you can see in minus 1, minus 18, minus 2, minus 9, minus 3, minus 6, but here we have all plus symbols, so no need to verify that negative integers. Okay, now here take this pair, which is 18 is equal to 3 into 6 and 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Now once again write that equation, x square plus 9x plus 18. Now you can take x square plus this 9 can be written as 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6 into x plus then 18 is 3 into 6. Now by simplify this, we can get x square plus 3x plus 6x plus 18. Now we can use here grouping. Okay, now just follow the grouping method. So by grouping first these two terms, we can write x square plus 3x plus, and the next two terms 6x plus 18. Now from these two we can get x as a common, x into x plus 3 into x, and in this 6 into x plus 6 into 3. So both of these x is a common, so you can take it outside. X times of x plus 3 plus 6 times of x plus 3. Then we can write x plus 3 into x plus 6. Okay, this is how to get the factors of x square plus 9x plus 18 expression. So in this way you have to factorize that one. So we have to take one more sum for better understand. Here we have, by the same method, we can apply this identity. So now see this, here we have one more sum, p square minus 10p plus 21. Okay, so here it is in the terms of p, whatever it is, you can again write x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. But whereas this expression is in terms of x, it is in terms of p. So no bother about it, simply you can just compare this. We need only the constant terms here. AB is equal to 21 and here AB plus b is equal to minus 10 to further proceed. So what we did, simply we have to take factors of 21, that is a pair of factors which satisfies a plus b is equal to minus 10, that is whose sum is equal to the minus 10. So now 21 can be factorized as 1 into 21 or minus 1 into minus 21, and by 3 table 3 into 7 or minus 3 into minus 7, and then 7 into 3 minus 7 into minus 3, 21 into 1 minus 21 into minus 1. Now according to method, just add these pairwise factors. So first we have 1 into 21, add them, 1 plus 21 we get 22, which is not equal to minus 10, and again minus 1 minus 21 we get minus 22, which is not equal to minus 10, and again 3 plus 7 10, which is also not equal to what, minus 10, and then minus 3 minus 7, what do we get, minus 10. Okay, that means here we have 21 is equal to minus 3 into minus 7 and minus 3 in minus 7 equal to minus 10. So these both the conditions are satisfied. So that's why we can replace minus 10 by this minus 3 into minus 7. Further again we have to take the once again that expression, then we can write p square. So we can write minus as plus into minus, so that's why we can write it as plus of minus 10 into p plus 21. Now here p square plus of that minus 10 nothing but minus 3 minus 7 into p plus the 21 nothing but minus 3 into minus 7. Again by simplification we get p square multiply that p and plus into minus minus 3p and plus into minus 7 into p minus 7p. Here we get minus 3 into minus 7. So then by grouping these first two terms and next two terms we will get the factors. So now here p square minus 3p first group, and then minus 7p plus of minus 3 into minus 7 second group. So from these two we can take common p, we can write it as p minus 3, and in these two we have minus 7 as a common, minus 7 p remaining plus into minus 3. Okay, now again here p minus 3 taken outside, p minus 3 into p minus 7. Okay, this is a way of finding out the factors of p square minus 10p plus 21. Okay, now let us discuss remaining sum in next. Thank you. Now let us discuss some more important sums on factorization. So first sum is here, 49x square minus 25y square. We have to factorize this sum by using identity. So now first of all 49, how can you write 49? Yes, 7 into 7, that is 7 square x square minus the 25 can be written as 5 square y square is as it is. Now 7 square x square is simply written as 7x whole square minus 5 square y square is 5y whole square. Now simply apply a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. So in place of a we can write 7x, in place of b 5y. So then we can write it as 7x whole square minus 5y whole square is equal to 7x plus 5y into 7x minus 5y. Okay, just these are only the practice sums. You should also do along with me. Take a pen and notebook and practice along with me. Now one more like this: 81 minus 64x square, and this 81 can be written as 9 9, that is 9 square, minus 64 is 8 square, x square is as it is. Now 9 square minus 8 square x square is nothing but 8x whole square. Again apply the same formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now we can write in a place 9, b plus 8x, that is 9 square minus 8x whole square is equal to 9 plus 8x into 9 minus 8x. Okay, now in this let us see one more important. So here we have 2x minus 32x square, 2x minus 32x square. So actually here 32x power 5, 2x power 5. So here 2x is not a perfect square and 32 is also not, 36 power 5 is also not a perfect square. So first of all, you just observe from these two we can take common 2x. So here we need 1, so 2 into x into 1 minus the 32 can be written as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. It is prime factorization of 32. 2 to the 4, 4 to the right, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. That is 2 16s. We know this one, factorization. 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s. So how many 2's here? 5 2's. So here x power 5 is also in x times. Now in this we can take common 2 and x. Now we should write 2x into bracket begin 1 minus remaining 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So here 2 power 4, x into x, x into x, x power 4. So we can write it as 2x into 1 minus 2x to the power of 4. And then now we can make these two terms as a perfect squares. That is 1 square minus this 2x power 4 can be written as 2x square whole square, 2x square whole square. Now clearly it is in the form of a square minus b square. Now at here we can apply a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. So in place of a we have 1, in place of b we have 2x square. Now 2x into, we can write 1 plus 2x square into 1 minus 2x square. Okay, now let us see one more important. So these are the practice sums, so in which all the formulas are applied here, what we learned earlier. So here x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square. Okay, now in this also we can apply directly a square minus b square formula. So we can write it as a plus b into a minus b. here, but here we have a is equal to x plus y, that is combination of x and y, and b is also x minus y, combination of x and y. Now we can write it as x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square is equal to, simply you can write x plus y plus x minus y into x plus y minus x minus or minus plus y. So here we can cancel plus y minus y, and here x and minus x. So we get here 2x into y plus y, 2y. So final answer is 4x y, 4 into x into y. And now let us see sums on grouping the terms, sums on the factorization by the method of grouping. So here already we learned that method. So by using that method, now we can do some more sums. Now here we have 3ax minus 6ay, 3ax minus 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx. Now let us observe here we have 3ax plus 4bx by observing the x terms, and here minus 6ay minus 8by. Now grouping them. So now here 3ax plus 4bx minus 6ay minus 8by. So in these two we can write 3 into a into x plus here 4 into b into x. X is common in both of these, we can take it outside. Now factorize here, 2 6 we can factorize as 2 into 3 minus ay is simply a into y, minus 8 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 2 by as b into y. Now in both of these we can take common 2 and a, okay, and along with that minus also. Okay, now let us see this one first of all. Now here x is common, we can write 3a plus 4b, and here we can take common minus 2y along with minus children. So minus 2y times of, here we get 3a, minus is taken outside, minus nothing but we get minus into plus here. So minus is taken outside, then we can remaining with plus, and the other term is 2 into 2 4b. So again here 3a plus 4b is taken outside, simply we get x minus 2y. So this is a grouping term, grouping the terms. Now here one more important one, p square q, let us see that one. P square q minus pr square, and then minus pq plus r square. Now here also grouping p square q minus pq, pr square plus r square. So grouping them, p square q minus pq minus pr square plus r square. In both of these we can write it as p into q minus p into q. Okay, next here minus pr square is p into r square, nothing but r into r, again r into r, we need here 1. Now here pq is a common, here also we need 1. So pq taken outside, pq times of p minus 1 minus here r into r into r along with the minus. So minus r square is taken outside, remaining with p, here plus nothing but minus into minus, this minus also taken outside, minus r square. So here remaining with minus 1. So overall p minus 1 is common, p minus 1 into pq minus r square. Okay, so like this we can factorize by the method of grouping the terms. So next we have some more. L square minus, all are factorization only, so I am writing simply directly practice sums. I'm not writing question here actually. Okay, factorize. Which one that is? L square minus m minus n whole square. Now here also you can apply directly a square minus b square formula only, that is a plus b into a minus b. So by comparing these two we get a is equal to L, b is equal to n minus n. Substitute here, L square minus m minus n whole square is equal to L plus n minus n and L minus of m minus n. Okay, here we have your minus n, so that's why you just keep the bracket to m minus n, and here no need, already we have here plus into something, same thing only, no need to worry here. Now here L plus m minus n plus m plus into minus minus n. Next here L minus into m minus m minus into minus plus n. Okay, this is our required.